Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you easy trick to beat Obby in Fish Egg. So in this latest update, there's a new Obby challenge on Classic Island right here. If you complete this challenge, you can get various rewards, and if you are a VIP player, you even have a chance to get the Domino Crown. Hello. But if you are struggling with the parkour, don't worry, I have got an easy trick for you like this. Instead of going through the obstacles, just move this to the sides of the course and climb up this mountain path next to the obby like this. Just keep going all the way up until you reach the top area. The top area like this. Over here. And from here, just jump onto the glass platform above. Then carefully drop down into the safe zone. And then after that, just choose the pink path like this, the pink one. And just like that, you will reach the finish points and you will get the rewards. In here, I got the ticks or token event. And okay, and then next, don't forget you can come back again the next day to get more rewards. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.